Dear friends, I am Polar, and I am here to show you a trading pattern that you can use also on IQ option. I suggest to practice it on your demo account before invest your savings. I remind you that this is not an investment advice. The Supernova is a trading pattern that uses two indicators, Bollinger Bands and an exponential moving average. This method needs good market conditions and requires a medium level of experience. Well, go on. I explain the settings. Follow strictly the rules that I am showing. Trust me. First of all, we need to check Investingcom single currency crosses to choose our preferred asset. In this case, EUR/USD has a strong sell trend on all time frames. It means that we have more possibility to close our position positively, choosing a put direction. Okay, now I show you this pattern on various assets. We start from EUR/USD. First of all, set the chart with 1-minute candlesticks. Well, now we must add Bollinger Band, with a period set on 9. Then we need to add an EMA with a period of 100. As you can see, the moving average indicators where the trend is going. When the average goes up, we have an ascending trend. When the average goes down, we have a descending trend. This pattern indicates to open a position only when a candle closed breaking the upper or the lower Bollinger Band. When the average goes up, we must open a call position. On the contrary, we must open a put position. Before we start, I want to make a recap of the rules. 1. Don't open a position when the moving average is horizontal. 2. Don't invest if the candles move in the moving average area. 3. If Investingcom and the moving average are discordant, this decreases your possibility to close positively your position. 4. If the middle Bollinger Band is horizontal, it can mean a trend inversion. Pay attention. 5. Check always the economic calendar before invest. Avoid to trade during relevant news. 6. Follow strictly these rules. Trust me. Very well, friends, now we can start to find the right moment for us. As you can see, I am on EUR/USD asset, and the average is descending strong. I remind you that the macro trend and the micro trend on this asset is strong sell. Wait for a breaking. Maybe a red candle is breaking the lower Bollinger Band, so we must be ready to take a position in put, because the EMA is going down. You must remember to open a trade when the candle reaches a purchase time of 31 seconds, because connection latency. I remind you that if you wish, you can join IQ option clicking on the link in the video description. Visit also my website, where you can find some educational materials to increase your experience. We are ready. I open a position in put, because the red candle closed breaking the lower Bollinger Band. In the meantime, I remind that you can open another window or activate a split window to open another position, in case your trade will close negatively. You can follow your preferred management plan. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, ITM at the first hit. Now we can wait another moment on the same asset or search a different pair. Let me see. We can try with used CAD. Okay, in this case we have a horizontal moving average, so we avoid to open positions, because the first rule. We can find another asset. On used Norwegian kroner, we have a light ascent of the moving average, but we must wait too much for a breaking. Moreover, candles are moving in the average zone. Try again to come back to Euro USD asset. Take a second to consider that I show my tutorials with my real savings and not in demo mode, because I want to be honest with you. Take your time to practice this pattern with patience and keep in mind that this is not an investment advice. Maybe that a green candle is breaking the higher Bollinger Band. Be ready to open a position input. In this case we must pay more attention, because we are moving really close to the moving average area. We try anyway, maybe we will need a second raise. Well, I open a position input. I remind that you can open another window or activate a split window to open another position on the same asset, in case your trade will close negatively. You can follow your preferred management plan. I remind you that if you wish, you can join IQ option clicking on the link in the video description. Okay. As you can see, we are going to close negatively. So I am ready to open a second position immediately to recover this trade. Remind that you can use your preferred management plan. I am going input again. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, ITM at the second hit. Before greetings, I want to find another asset for you, because I trust this trading pattern. I remind you that you can use this pattern also on OTC markets, but pay more attention, because you will not be able to check the market conditions. Well, on used CAD we have a good moment, but pay attention because we are moving close to the average area. It seems that a green candle is breaking the higher Bollinger Band. So be ready to take a position input. I have checked Investingcom on another screen, and the trend is on strong sell. Okay, I open the position input. Very good, friends. ITM again. I hope that you like this tutorial. As you can see, if you follow the rules you can increase your experience a lot. I used a real verified account because I like to be honest with my followers. I'll come back with new tutorials. If you wish to join IQ option, you can click on the link in the video description. I hope to see you soon, richer than now. Bye bye.